The next tool to better tracking is the panel option. This is a good option for rigid medias, such as diamond grade reflective, where tracking straight can be a challenge. The panel option, when enabled, will segment a job so that it progressively cuts a section or a panel at a time. For instance, if this design were to be cut with paneling enabled, it would cut the first section, and once it is finished with that panel, it will cut the objects in the next panel. Once it completes the second panel, it will cut the objects in the next panel, and so on. To enable panel cutting, press the pause menu key. Then press the 4 key for media, and then the up arrow key to jump to the next page of options. Next, press the 3 key to open the panel settings, followed by the 1 key, which allows us to enable it, and then press the 1 key again to turn panel cutting on. We can then set the size of the panels by using the arrow key. Keep in mind that the more difficult the media tracking, the smaller the panel size should be. Press Escape to go to the previous menu. Press Enter to accept the change. Press the pause menu key to get the cutter back to the default menu.